Start with fourth question of 2023 paper. So the question goes like this. Consider the following statement. India has more arable area than China. India and China, you can say it as international relation also, but they are talking here like arable area. So they're talking something agricultural area or plowing area. Where will you read agriculture? Again geography. Yes. So the proportion of irrigated area. Again irrigation they are talking. Again it is geography. Irrigation is more in India as compared to China. So the third is the average productivity per hectare in Indian agriculture is higher than that in China. So what they are talking here, basically it's all about India and China, but plowing area. In agriculture we learn about how much area India has. So plowing area, arable area, and what is the irrigation, different types of irrigation compared to what how better we are in irrigation, that one. And third one they are talking about productivity. We have low productivity because we follow subsistence farming. So these are the thing we think. For productivity we have technical challenges also, where we are not using tech that much, we are not doing this mechanization that much. So in agriculture we have to learn these things as part of geography. What are those? Area, irrigation, and then productivity. These kind of factors we will talk. So under that we should be learning. So with that sense we will see what this answer is. So India has more arable land than China? No, it's wrong. More area with China it is there. Area wise also China is greater compared to India, and arable land also China is more. So this is wrong. Option 2, the proportion of irrigated area is more in India. Actually this is correct. More irrigation will see because we are following well irrigation, drip irrigation and all. We have more irrigation compared to China. So in studying agriculture you should be noting so in which position we are starting in terms of irrigation. So this is correct. Third one, the average productivity per hectare in India agriculture is higher than that of China. So this is completely wrong, because the productivity, that's what the issue we are facing. If we are taking good mechanization and technology use, fertilizer optimization, then we will be able to go ahead in agriculture. That is a debate, but we are not able to do it. That's where we are lax. So this is wrong completely. So we have only one. We'll see second. Which one of the following is the best example of repeated falls in sea level, giving rise to present day extensive marshland? When they talk about marshland, you can go with geography also, or you can go with environment also. But they are saying repeated fall in sea level. This is the keyword here. So sea level is repeatedly falling. Okay, what does it mean? What they are talking about? They are talking about western coast actually, where sea was repeatedly fallen because western coast got uplifted. This thing you should have the idea. This should flash when you read this repeated falls in sea level, right? So now we should choose any option that will come only in the western side of India, western coast. Okay, so we'll see. Bitharganika. First thing, it's a mangrove. It is formed because of a delta. But where is it formed? Western side or eastern side? It's in Odisha. That means eastern side. This will be not answer. Marakanam salt pans. Marakanam salt pans. First thing, it is salt pan. Marakanam salt pan is in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so it is in eastern coast. So it's a salt pan not because of sea level fall. Okay, it is not in western coast, so this is also wrong. Then we have, sorry, Marakkanam salt pan, it's in Tamil Nadu. Again it's in eastern coast. Naupada swamp, it's a swamp they are saying, but we are asking about marshland. It's a swamp, and it's in Andhra Pradesh. Naupada, if you don't know, then difficult. These two options will be difficult, but we could have gone to Run of Kutch. Run of Kutch, of course, it is in western, and the sea level fall is possible, so we could have straightforward went to Run of Kutch. Key here is knowing which is like which area is coming under repeated sea level fall. This key term, if you are able to notice, you will be noticing something which is in western coast of India. Okay, that is a key they are expecting here. So this is from geography. Why? Because sea level they are talking, western coast they are talking. Okay. So next we'll go with sixth question. So sixth question is this: ilmenite and rutile abundantly available in certain coastal tracts of India are rich sources of which one of the following? So they are talking something on minerals. So minerals again geography, but key they are giving a clue here. Coastal tracts. It should be in a coastal tract. If you don't know mineral and sources, then also you can figure out the answer. That's how they are giving a clue here. As they given here, even if you don't know which is that marshland, they are giving a clue here. It should be repeated seafall. That means western coast. So it was a clue. In this, what is the clue? Coastal tract. It should be in a coastal tract. So option A. So they are talking about ilmenite and rutile. So aluminium. Aluminium is from bauxite. If you don't know from bauxite, then you think whether it is from a coastal tract or from inside the country. It's inside the country. Aluminium we get in Jharkhand and all, right? So this will be wrong, automatically wrong, even if you don't know the source. Copper. This is chalcopyrite, I guess. Yeah. So even if you don't know, copper we get from different sources in the India, not in the coastal. We know this, right? So this is also wrong. Iron, of course, we know it is from magnetite and hematite, and that is also not coastal. This is inside India, like Karnataka, Odisha, etc. So this is also wrong. Titanium, even if you know, if you don't know the source, if these three are from inside India, only left out for coastal is titanium. So like this also you can answer. Actually you should answer like this only. You can't memorize everyone's source, right? Good if you are memorizing. Otherwise you have to read the clue in the question. They'll give a clue in the question. Okay. So again it is from geography of mineral topic. That's all for today.